spacious living area with a beautiful interior work done for your reference with the open kitchen concept. You can check out the beautiful and huge space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital and today we are here at Imperia Grand, a project developed by Brain Corporation. And this project is located in Harluru, Bangalore. And today we are here to check out their 5 BHK plus staff room sample flat. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So we are on the actual land parcel of the project. So basically, this is the marketing office where we'll be getting all the details. And now about the land parcel. So one more thing I would like to show you over here. This is the part of the phase 1. And now about the phase 2 is over this side where the construction work is going on. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So basically this project is being constructed on total 16.2 acres of land parcel and which is divided into 2 phases. So let me show you the phase 1 just behind me. So this is the phase 1 which has been delivered 5 years ago and now launched with phase 2. So basically this is the part of phase 2 which has been constructed on 5.4 acre of land parcel, and here they are coming up with 3 iconic tower of 2 basement ground plus 21 floors with 4 BHK plus staff room and 5 BHK plus staff room premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part. And this project provides you world-class amenities like you can check out the garden area, jogging track and cricket pitch just behind me. And here comes the football court, clubhouse and even the kids play area. Now coming to location part, and this project is located in Harluru, Bangalore, and let me show you that this is the internal road of the project and your main entrance of the project will be just 200 meters away from where I am standing. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So Kudlu Gate metro station is just 10 minutes away. Outer Ring Road is 10 minutes away. RMZ Eco World, Bilandur is 15 minutes away. You can connect to HSR layout in just 20 minutes. And even Manipal Hospital, which is very near, that is within 5 minutes of the project. So now this is your 5 BHK plus staff room of 2,771 square feet super built up area. So basically this is the main entrance of your house and the separate entrance for your staff room. So once you enter, you can check out the lobby space over here, and this side over here is your window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here you can even add up a bed, the wardrobe and even a dressing table over here. So basically you can use this room in a multi-purpose way like your home office as well. And now this is your washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further towards your main house. So this is the main entrance, and once we enter, here is your foyer area for your privacy purpose. You can add your shoe rack over here. And now this is your living area, the spacious living area with a beautiful interior work done for your reference. Here you can add up your TV unit as well as the sofa set. And now so this is the L-shaped balcony, the L-shaped deck area with anti-skid tiles, iron railing, and you can enjoy the beautiful scenic view of the city. This balcony is also attached to another room which we'll be checking later on. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area. So over this side is your dining and the kitchen area. This space you can utilize in a multi-purpose way. So you can even add up your dining table over here. Now with the open kitchen concept, this is your beautiful kitchen area with a beautiful interior. You can check out the interior with the cabinets, platform, sink over here, and the utility which is divided via tile drop to avoid the water spillage. And you can check out, here is your machine space, the provision for your machines, window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and the common normal sink area. Now moving towards your bedroom space. So your bedroom number 1, that is your guest bedroom, is near the entrance. This is your beautiful guest bedroom, the bedroom number 1. Once you enter, you can check out the huge bed space over here. And now, the sit-out area, you can even add up a couch over here, the wardrobe space, the window over that side for ventilation and lighting purpose, and the access for your balcony. This is the same balcony which we checked out from your living area. Now the best part. So basically this is your walk-in wardrobe or a dressing room. So the dressing room or a walk-in wardrobe which is attached to your washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving towards another bedroom. So exactly opposite to this bedroom is your bedroom number 2, and this is the entrance for your bedroom number 2. Once you enter, you can check out the space over here again with the bed space, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and this is your wardrobe space. Now about your bedroom number 3. So walking through your living area and even crossing your dining area. This side are all your 3 bedrooms. So this is your bedroom number 3. So the interior speaks out for itself. This is your kids' bedroom where they have added up a 2 single bed with a window, study table, and this side is the wardrobe and even attached washroom in this room with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving towards your bedroom number 4, which is exactly in front of this. So this side is your bedroom number 4. Once you enter again, you can check out the bed space, the wardrobe space, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now about your master bedroom. But before moving towards your master bedroom, let me inform you about all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit and register for free. Now let's move further. So basically this side over here is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now master bedroom is exactly beside your bedroom number 4. So this is the entrance, and once you enter you can check out the beautiful and huge space with the bed space, the wardrobe space, and now the balcony. So this is a beautiful balcony with 2-side open view, anti-skid tiles and iron railing. So you can enjoy the beautiful scenic view. Now this is your dressing area or else your wardrobe space. I mean basically this will be the walk-in wardrobe space which is attached to your attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here at Brain Corporation. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And all the information and details of this project is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.